everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in today. So I am very excited to do an unboxing with you guys. I got 2 influencer packages. If you want to find out more information about getting free products sent to you for your review, then stick with me. I do quickly just want to give you guys an update before I get started. I heard back from Sephora. One of my palettes came in really damaged. It was the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. And so during this time, normally you can just go in and Sephora's great about a return or exchange in store, but none of my stores are open and we just don't know when they're going to be opening. So I had emailed them inquiring what was going on and they handled it fantastically. I've got to give a rave review. They made sure that not only I got a new one sent, I keep the damaged ones, and they sent some samples and it was stuff I actually use and like. So thank you so much, Sephora, for being amazing at customer service as always. But I did want to show you guys the palette now that I have it, just up close and personal. So this is the non-damaged, beautiful palette by Huda Beauty. So originally these 2 shimmery shades were damaged, but you can see they're in perfect condition. So I'm very thankful. Thank you, Sephora, for having such great customer service and just making it a personal experience. They said they're excited to see what looks I came up with. I feel like that personal touch really means a lot to people, especially when we can't go interact with people at the store. So thank you so much, Sephora. So the first box I got was from Augustinus Bader. I have not heard of that brand before. It's a smaller box like this. So let's see. So this says this influencer box comes with 2 products in it, and it says that it is Augustinus Bader, I hope I'm saying that correctly, is the future of skincare. It's inspired by 30 years of research and innovation from a world-leading expert in regenerative medicine. So that's the flyer there. It says one scientific method to break through oh my gosh, can't talk. The card here says one scientific method to break through formulas. So it comes with a cream and the rich cream. The cream is a light, refreshing, yet deeply hydrating formula, best for combination to oily skins, infused with soothing aloe vera, rich in antioxidants, amino acids, and vitamins A, B, C, and E. And the rich cream is an intensely luxurious super hydrator, ideal for normal to dry skin types. Formulated with argan, avocado, and evening primrose oils, rich in omega-6 fatty acids and antioxidants. So let's see the difference between the cream and the rich cream. So usually with Influencer, you take a picture of the box when you get it, but I want to show you guys the packaging here first. So that is the rich cream, and then this is the cream. So these are textured, definitely like a textile aesthetic. So this is the cream here, and it does come with what looks like some instructions. It says apply to dry, cleanse skin morning and evening. Pretty straightforward there. And then this is the rich cream. Apply to dry, cleanse skin morning and evening. Okay, so we've got 2 different ones. I wonder what the difference is. So the rich cream says it is a highly concentrated, deeply moisturizing cream to revive the complexion and help heal dryness. And then the cream is an ultra lightweight, instantly hydrating cream that helps to dramatically transform the complexion and replenish moisture. So I've got kind of a heavier weighted item and then a lightweight one. Thank you so much, Influencer. I'm excited to share these products, let you know how I feel about them, give them reviews. I'll be commenting on these cream products as I use them. So the next thing that I have here is a very fun looking box. So it is from Influencer as well, but it is Good Belly, and it looks like peanut butter crunch cereal. So I'm super excited about that. I love peanut butter, and anything that is my daily dose of peanut butter in a cereal sounds like a winner. got my card inside. It says, "Hi from the Good Belly Probiotics cereal team. We're so excited for you to try our new Peanut Butter Crunch cereal. This delicious cereal provides 1 billion probiotics of champion strength BB12s, one of the most documented DANEs available. In each serving, this peanut butter crunchy goodness is both gluten-free and may help support healthy digestion when consumed daily." So, super excited to try this. I feel like it's gonna be really tasty. And this is our box of cereal here. So it says, Good Belly Probiotics is all we do, and fill your belly smile. So I'm gonna give this a shot, and I'm actually gonna open it and try some right now because I'm hungry and I'm excited. You know how some stuff says it's peanut butter and then it barely tastes like peanut butter? This is super peanut buttery. So far, really solid review there. Can't wait to try it with some milk or even in yogurt. I feel like that will be really good with some Greek yogurt. So, well, that is my Influenster unboxing. So if you want to check out Influenster, you know, I have mentioned it before in my videos, but download the Influencer app and do some quizzes, leave online reviews when you're bored, when you're watching TV, when you can't fall asleep. Just review the products you already purchased, and then they will send you free product to review again and again. So I've gotten many boxes from them. I've had the Good Stuff brand. I've had Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'll link that in a video up above. I talked about all the products I got from them before. But just a great program for new product to be tried. It's at no cost to you. The app is free, the reviews are free, and the product is free. So just by, you know, using your time a little differently, you can get to test and try out all this stuff. So I hope that you found this video helpful, and let me know, you know, what future videos you'd like to see from me. I love doing unboxings and tutorials, but if you guys have any requests, just comment down below and I'd be happy to include that. So I hope everyone's staying safe and that your day is great, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.